I used to feel self-conscious about my smile. No matter how often I brushed or rinsed, I couldn't get rid of bad breath or gum irritation. Then I discovered ProDentim and it changed everything. ProDentim is not just another dental product, it's a revolutionary chewable tablet that combines 3.5 billion probiotics and natural ingredients to restore balance to your mouth's microbiome. Using ProDentim is incredibly easy. Each morning, after brushing your teeth, simply chew one tablet. It's quick, effective, and fits perfectly into any routine. What makes ProDentim special is its unique formula. Lactobacillus Paracasei supports gum health and clears sinuses. B.lactis BL-04 balances bacteria while boosting your immune system. Inulin nourishes the good bacteria in your mouth, ensuring they thrive. Malic acid naturally whitens teeth, while peppermint keeps your breath fresh and gums soothed. Within weeks, I started to notice significant improvements. My gums felt stronger, my teeth looked visibly whiter, and my breath stayed fresh all day. Thousands of others are experiencing the same results. Sarah from Florida says, ProDentim has completely changed my routine. My gums are healthier, my breath is fresh, and my teeth are whiter than ever. If you're ready to transform your oral health, ProDentim is the answer. Click the link in the description below and start your journey today. Don't wait. Your best smile is just one chew away.